Alright guys, so today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new iPhone 16 Pro Max waterproof case. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. It's got, man, this is nice. It's got screen protector right there, and it'll display your phone back here, as well as let you use all your MagSafe accessories right here. Also has covers on the camera. It does come with a little lanyard for it, a cleaning cloth, and then just kind of like how to set it up. So it just has a quick instructions as well. Like actually seal it up and make sure that it's fully sealed. All right, so let's actually go ahead and put it on here. Take this piece off. We'll go ahead and put our phone right in here. It's even got that button in a different color right here. Then we'll go ahead and seal it with the back. That's nice. All right, and there it is. That is cool. I really like that. It's like fully protected. I like that it still shows the color of your phone back here. Even this is all sealed up. So if you wanted to charge it, just have to take this piece off and then seal it back up. And we'll go ahead and actually see if that sticks on there. As you can see, it does. Sticks on there well. Very cool. We'll go ahead and load up the camera. One of the things that's always worried me is like when they put a little protection on there, but camera looks just fine on there. So again, very cool case. It does make it a little bit bigger, but it's not super bulky. Like I said, it is gonna make it a little bit more just because, like I said, it is waterproof, dust proof. It's protecting it from a lot of elements, so it is gonna add a little bit to it, but it's not crazy bulky. So very cool, looks and feels very sturdy in your hand. So if you guys are looking for a new case for your iPhone 16, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below, highly recommend.